Want to know the secret to making your home feel luxurious without the logos, flash, or trendy designs that go out of style fast? Quiet luxury interior design is the look everyone's talking about. It's about understated elegance, timeless pieces, and design that feels expensive without screaming it. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 ways to bring quiet luxury into your home even if you're decorating on a budget. Let's jump in. Hi, I'm Nikki D, a formally trained interior designer and your go-to for making your home look expensive without the designer price tag. If you love high-end looks, neutral palettes, and luxe for less finds, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit subscribe and give this video a like if you find it helpful. Quiet luxury starts with furniture that stands the test of time. Think clean lines, quality materials, and classic silhouettes like a linen slip-covered sofa, a marble coffee table, or a curved boucle chair. These pieces never go out of style. Skip the bold shapes or bright colors. Quiet luxury is all about pieces that whisper, not shout. When it comes to foundational pieces like your sofa or bed, investing in quality is key. These are the items you use daily, and comfort is a major part of that luxury feel. Both my sofas are from Interior Define, an affordable custom option I've been very happy with. And if you have a little bit more to spend, Our House is another great resource for timeless, well-made furniture. Both are linked below if you're in the market for a new sofa. Don't be afraid to mix high and low. Splurge on your core pieces and save on accessories. No one will ever know. Quiet luxury also celebrates craftsmanship. It's the difference between something that looks good and something that feels good every time you use it. Before you buy, don't forget to download the free floor plan PDF I linked below. It'll help you make sure that everything fits your space perfectly. A neutral palette is the foundation of quiet luxury. Warm whites, beiges, taupes, stone, and ivory create that soft, elevated feel. Add depth with black metal, aged wood, or even a hint of deep navy. Just keep it calm and cohesive. The key is mixing textures. Layer linen, leather, boucle, velvet, and stone to make your space feel dimensional and rich, not flat. Are you worried a neutral color palette might feel too plain? Don't be. They give you the flexibility to bring in color later through pillows, art, or seasonal decor. Not sure where to start? I created a free quiz that'll help you find your design style. It's fun, quick, and makes decorating so much easier. I'll link it below. Quiet luxury is the opposite of the bold maximalist look or even those layered, cozy Nancy Meyer style interiors. Instead of busy patterns, this style leans into texture and softness. Think boucle, mohair, velvet, slub linen, and woven wool. Materials that add interest without feeling overwhelming. If there are patterns, they're usually soft and tonal with a calming monochromatic palette. Picture a boucle sofa, a mixed material coffee table with layered pillows in linen and velvet. It's not about how much you add, but how it feels. In quiet luxury, every piece should feel intentional. Instead of filling your shelves with random decor, choose a few high-impact items. A ceramic bowl, a handmade vase, or a vintage sketch in a soft palette makes a statement without the clutter. And don't overlook what you already have, like coffee table books. If the covers are too bold, try removing the jacket. You might find a beautiful neutral linen cover underneath, or you could display the pages open on a book stand. For this design trend, edit ruthlessly because less is more. You can even pick a theme when styling, like earthy textures or natural elements, or include meaningful souvenirs from your travels. These pieces tell a quiet story and make your space truly yours. Keep in mind, fewer, better things always feel more luxurious than a room full of filler pieces. Lighting is like the jewelry of the room, and in quiet luxury, it's bold but refined. Use soft diffuse lighting in layers. Think sculptural table lamps, oversized linen shades, and plaster chandeliers that double as art. Materials like brass, travertine, and matte black add that elevated, grounded feel without stealing the show. Use dimmers and mix ceiling, wall, table, and floor lighting to create warmth and depth. Natural light matters too. Use sheer curtains to let light in and create that open, airy atmosphere. For a more elevated look, hang neutral drapery panels high and wide. They add softness, height, and a sense of quiet luxury to the space. Lighting might seem like a finishing touch, but in this style, it's a design element that shapes the entire mood. Now, here's something to think about. They say that the poor show off and the wealthy stay quiet, and that's the core of quiet luxury. It's about having the means but not needing the world to know it. You're not designing to impress people with flashy pieces or a room full of stuff. You're creating a space that feels calm, intentional, and beautiful for you. That shift from outward approval and validation to inner peace is what makes this style so powerful. Natural materials are essential in quiet luxury. Stone, wood, rattan, linen, and leather add warmth and authenticity without feeling trendy. Try a mixed material wood and stone console, a marble lamp, or a travertine pedestal. These pieces feel luxurious without being loud. Marble is especially timeless, but pairing it with vintage pottery or warm wood makes it feel even more grounded. Quiet luxury also embraces the artisanal. Handmade ceramics, woven accents, or reclaimed wood pieces add soul and character. Never underestimate the impact of a single oversized plant in a sculptural pot. It can transform an empty corner and bring the whole room to life. Also remember, comfort matters too. A beautiful space should feel just as relaxing as it looks. In quiet luxury interiors, artwork is subtle and intentional. Go for large abstract canvases, black and white photography, or line art in soft neutrals. Use float mount frames or oversized pieces to create that high-end gallery-style look. Have an old canvas lying around? Plaster over it for a DIY textured art piece that feels custom and designer. Keep in mind you don't need to cover every wall. Sometimes one large statement piece says more than a full gallery wall ever could. Quiet luxury is just as much about what you don't see as what you do. Leave space around your furniture. Let each piece breathe. Clean lines, hidden storage, and balance in the layout make a space feel calm and elevated. This is where multi-purpose furniture comes in, like a storage bench, ottoman, or a coffee table with drawers. These help keep your space clutter-free without sacrificing style. The goal is to create that same peaceful, curated feeling you get when you walk into a boutique hotel. And if you want help putting it all together, check out my course, Design a Home 101. I walk you through how to design a luxury level space from start to finish, even on a budget. I'll link it below. Quiet luxury isn't about how much you spend, it's about intentional choices. By focusing on timeless pieces, rich textures, and meaningful details, you can create a space that feels elevated, personal, and peaceful. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite quiet luxury design element? And if you're ready to transform your space, don't forget to take the style quiz and check out Design a Home 101. Everything's linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you never miss a video. And for even more design inspiration, watch this video next. Love you all so much, and I'll see you next Sunday. Until then, happy designing.